starting that camera, starting this camera, and hitting go 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm live in Facebook. I've got this huge and very heavy thing to open. All right, this is a Carry Compo. All right, well, let's see here. I guess let me get some scissors here and just go to opening it. So do it like this, because I don't want to show the address and stuff, but so just, yeah. It's one heavy thing. There we go. Oh, okay, I guess I can show this one. So then just, yep. Alright, so now just, there we go. Shout out to Mr. X. He said that the prize is the box. Not so much maybe everything else, but I can reuse this box to ship off that Panasonic RX CT900. Plus I got the speaker redone. Well, oh my God, that's the handle. All right, well, it's got some serious straps on here. Well, okay, well, all right, let's do this. Oh wow. Like, okay, yeah. Yeah. So hopefully that's enough. Okay. No handles. Okay. Well. Oh, there's a handle. Hey, there we go. That thing's heavy. Okay. All right. Now, what do you see? See it pretty good? Yeah. All right. So, got you under. Oh, there you go. There it is. It's got the speakers. There's the speakers. Right. Connected by a wire. I'm not going to pull that out any further, but there's that. Yeah, it's got a wire connected to it. All right, so just there. This one, I guess, pulls out as well. Yeah, there it goes. Something else to repair. Yay! And then I guess, let's see here. You can pick this up and move this thing around and open up the back. Here we go. Yeah, so we got, let's go like that. That's pretty much all I can show you right now, but I don't know how heavy this thing is, but this thing is heavy. Okay, so that's why I was asking you, and this is, so this is the case, and I guess we'll just, oh golly, there you go. It says right there, Aiwa Carry Compo CB-20, and again it looks like this, and what we have here is we have the, oh man, what does this thing say? Reverberation mic mixer MIX-22 Aiwa, and this is a stereo integrated amplifier AA-16X Aiwa, and this is a stereo tuner S-R22 Aiwa, and then we have a mini compo Dolby system, power, full automatic stop, stereo cassette deck AD, that's -L22 Aiwa, and evidently you can set your own levels, and we'll play with this and power this up later. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and this is a I guess hardboard with leather over it and snaps, and you got a massive, oh golly, so yeah, you've got snaps and like that, and so it's just something else to repair. This is a, wish I'd weighed this, but oh golly, it's got a little sticky right there. Maybe that'll wash off, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. There he is. Hope you enjoyed. I have so many things to repair now. So let's see here. Give me this camera. All right. So there it is. So we'll just, well, okay. Let me just, I'm stuck over here. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, so hit stop. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Take a picture, 8 minutes. Okay. And then flip it over to my camera. There we go. And this one takes a fancy picture. Okay. Real good picture. See that? Fancy thing. Turn that off. Get that down. This over here. And then get this camera here. Right. Yeah, so once again, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. This one don't have a flash, just hit, well here, we can hit photo in the middle of this, so, well, okay.